everyone. So in this video I will show you a demo of MCP server which is created by me. This MCP server is having certain functionality, that is if you want to book a flight ticket, if you want to book a taxi, if you want to book a train ticket, or if you are looking for some information about a person using his name. So this MCP server provide these four functionalities. So this is a demo video. This is not a technical video where I will explain you how I can implement how I had implemented this server. But in this video I will only show you how this server is working with the MCP client. So you can use any MCP client, but for the demonstration purpose I had used a Cloud desktop. So here, if I open my client, I had connected that MCP server to this client. If you want the technical aspect of this video, you can refer a video whose link is currently in a description box. You can go through that video where I had explained step by step how I created that MCP server and how that MCP server I had connected with this MCP client. But this is not the technical video. This is only just for the demonstration purpose. So let's get started. So here, if you see, I had registered my MCP server, and inside my MCP server I have access to all the tools which I had shown you in the code. Like here, if you see, I have this tools like get information, get person information, train ticket booking, flight ticket booking, and taxi booking. So all these tools are registered in this Cloud MCP client. Now see whether how we can use it. So let me start with a simple question like, do you know Harshit Ratan Shukla? So as you know, Harshit Ratan Shukla is my name. So this LLM is trained on the vast amount of data, but not on my personal data. So he did not know that who is Harshit Ratan Shukla until unless I will provide him external context, right? So let's see whether it is able to answer that question or not. So if I ask this thing to him, okay, so it is saying that I can help you to find the information about the person. Let me check. So it has identified that, okay, it need to call a tool called get person info, which is hosted on my MCP server. Here, if you see, my MCP server is this one, and it is passing the request parameter as Harshit Ratan Shukla, which is a name for a person for which we are looking for, right? So let's proceed. Okay, so it is saying, yeah, I had found the information. Harshit Ratan Shukla is 23-year-old software engineer. So it has given me a certain information about him. So it means, yeah, it is able to call my tool, my MCP server. This Cloud desktop, which is MCP client, is able to connect to my MCP server. Now let us try one more thing. I want to book flight ticket from Bangalore to Lucknow. Let's say whether like how it be. Okay, so it is saying, yeah, I can book a flight ticket from Bangalore to Lucknow. For that, it's required my name, my travel date, and okay, source and destination it's already knows. So name is Harshit, and travel date is day after tomorrow. So today I'm recording this video on 18th of August. So let's say it is able to figure out whether it is able to figure out the next. Okay, so it is able to figure out that day after tomorrow is 20 August, because today when I'm recording this video it is 18th. So let's see what is okay. So see, it has booked my ticket, or ticket has been booked successfully with the travel date of 20th August, and this is my PNR number, and this is my booking ID. So let's see, okay, Harshit also want to book a taxi from Lucknow airport. Let's see whether it is able to help me or not. So okay, so it is saying, yeah, I will help you, but for that I need this phone number, drop location, and pickup time. So let's say phone number is, this is my phone number, drop location, drop is, let's say drop is Lucknow junction, UNCT junction, and pickup time is 6 p.m. same day means I'm referring to the same day where the flight, like when the flight is got arrived. So let's say whether it is able to identify it or not. Yeah, okay, so see, it has identified that my pickup time is August 26 p.m. and other details are there like pickup location, drop location. Now let's see. Okay, so we got some error. I will show you why that error is happened. But the good thing is this client is retrying to book my taxi. Let's say with this it has changed my pickup time to the certain ISO format which is needed. I will show you why this changed to this one in a in a few minutes. Let's say whether my booking is successful or not. Okay, see, my booking is got successful, and I am getting this booking ID here, and it is saying the driver contact details will be sent to your phone number 30 minutes before your scheduled pickup. Okay, so that's great. So now I have both my flight with the PNR this one and my taxi with booking ID this one, and I'm ready for my journey. But yeah, let's talk about that error, why this happened. So if you see here, when this client called my MCP server with this pickup timing, we got an error that pickup timing must be in a valid ISO format. So that's why when it called the tool second time, or it called my MCP server second time, it has corrected this pickup time. See, it has corrected the pickup time to a valid ISO time, and once he corrected, the booking is got successful. So this is a demo how this MCP server is working and how it is connecting to the MCP client. For this client, you can use anything. If you want to look into the technical aspect of like how the server is got implemented and connected with this client, you can check out my another video whose link in is description. You can find that video and dive into the technical aspect of this. Thank you very much.